look at it as an opportunity. So one of the things that we want to do is provide education, engineering education, that's beyond the classroom, through experiential learning. How do we provide that level of engagement through internships and co-ops so that students recognize that there are great jobs in this state, working for companies that have reach that are far beyond what people expect of them. Now I want to talk about KTI for a little bit. On the surface, it seems like it's a welding company. Welding seems like a technology that's been around forever, but they're an innovative company, working with GE, working with Rolls-Royce and Pratt & Whitney on developing the best welding technologies for their machine parts. And this is the type of engagement that we need through senior design, through internships and co-ops. We also want to emphasize research, because if we're going to be coming out of this innovation challenge that we're facing from all around the world, it's going to have to come from innovation. So each year, the University of Connecticut, through federal grants, state grants, and so forth, spends $15 million in supporting bachelor's degree students, master's degree, and PhD in innovative research. And this will have the benefit of having additional innovations and technologies that can be commercialized and make this state profitable in terms of that collaboration. A very interesting program that we have, working with technical high schools, and we saw from Jason's report how important technical high schools are, is that our goal of educating students as a university should not start at the freshman level. It should go down into the K through 12. So we have a $3.3 million grant from the National Science Foundation to have some of our best PhD students and professors work with technical high school teachers and their students to help develop lesson plans. And these are not token partnerships. This requires 15 hours a week of that faculty and graduate students' time to go to the high school, to go to the technical high schools and make that collaboration work. And that benefits the students so that they see what advanced research, what an engineering degree can lead to. And for the teachers, it makes them into more effective, more credible mentors to their students. And these are the types of programs that we want to continue with support from industry and also the federal government. Now, the challenge that we have as engineers is that there are many students that are not aware of what the role of science and engineering has played in their lives. This is a list of the most important accomplishments in the 20th century. And the first one that's on there is electrification. And how many students do you know that get excited about electricity? Very few. They can't power their iPods, they don't have internet as a result. So it's making them aware of how these technologies touch their lives. Now, as we move into the future really holds new opportunities for us to really engage students and the public. While the previous century was about devices and components that seemed a little bit detached from making an impact, and also really detached from sustainability, security, and the environment, the new challenges that are listed from the National Academy of Engineering really integrate the role of society and humanity. How many students do you know that would not be excited about having access to clean water, making solar energy more economical? And these are the technologies that are going to help us achieve that green revolution. And so we're very excited about this.